Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today is the video about how you can actually post a carousel on your Facebook page. So actually I made a previous video which you can see here. I got tons of views on it, but this technique actually got old, and this is not working for many people now. It is actually working for some people but not for many. So I discovered another way how you can post the carousel on your Facebook page. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. And here I am. First, you have to go to this link, that is similarroots.com. I will drop the link in the description also. And after that, scrolling a little bit down, you will see image carousel, video carousel, TikTok to carousel, post video with action button, and post video with action button. So I will go for like video carousel or image carousel. It's up to you. What do you want? I will go with the image carousel for now. After that, you are required to log in. I will get the login here. I will create an account here. Just simply. Now we have to actually verify the account. After verification, you will see this. Type your email here. After logging in, you will see this. Now click on image carousel again. Please connect with Facebook. So we have to connect our Facebook account with similar tools. It is very easy. Just go here in the settings, or you can go from here, click on profile, and you will see this page, click on connect with Facebook. After you will see this page, click on continue as your account, and now you have to select the page on which you want the carousel to be posted. You just have to do it for the first time, you don't have to do it for every time. Okay, so if I am going to this page, to the page like, I will use Venus Home Appliances. I'll click on next. You have to make sure that all of these are ticked. Click on done, and it is now linking similar tools to Facebook. Click on OK. You will see that it is now connected. Now similar, go to the home page, click on image carousel again. Go here and please select the ad account. We can select any of that account. Now you have to upload the images, choose files. I will select like this full open. So you will see these are now uploading here. Now if you want to add the caption, it is up to you. I will add Ryzel captions class Facebook carousel. In the URL, you can also add Videography and we select the action type. You like the CTA button. I will go with more for now. On the like page, you're going to be dealing before as a like, and please select the page. So the page I selected was Venus Home Appliances, and click on publish. Okay, it's saying that its URL is in the wrong format. Publish, and now it's uploading. First, it will upload all these photos, and after that, it will publish the carousel. Okay, so it will show you that it is published successfully. Now it will go to the Facebook page and make sure that it is posted or not. I'm going here and you can see that it is posted. On the Venus Home Appliances, you can see this carousel that it is posted. We have the end page, end card, and we have all the cards here, and you can see the learn more. You can actually swipe this and all that. So this is the way that you can actually post the carousel. If it helped you, don't forget to support. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.